week and I'm back with another video. And today is Christmas. Well, the day I'm filming this, it is Christmas. I'm hoping I'll have it up on Christmas. But you guys know how that goes. With that being said, I want to go ahead and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoyed your time with your family and did not forget the true meaning of Christmas. So now let's talk about Santa, okay? Because Santa visited me a little bit early before Christmas. I want to say, I'll put the exact dates like up on the screen, but prior, like a week before Christmas, Santa did come and see me. And thanks to WIGSBUY.com, they did sponsor me and send me a wig to review for you all. And of course, this is going to be my honest review. I'm not going to give like an in-depth review because I haven't worn the hair yet. I've only played with it and I'm about to tone it and pluck it, all that good stuff. And I'll show clips of that as well in this video. So let's just show you. And I already opened it, y'all, because I was a little bit too impatient. So I already opened it. So let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about the contents that came in the box. It did come by UPS, as you guys can see. And let's get into it. UPS did up the box a little bit, as you guys can see, which is a bummer because I really want to keep the box, but I still probably will. So WIGSBUY did impress me automatically because it came in a box. A lot of companies usually do send in like, you know, plastic bags sometimes, and that's automatically like a turn on for me. If you were to pay your hard-earned money, you would want it to look presentable as if your hard-earned money paid for it. So this is automatically a plus for me. So let's show you guys what's in the content. And mind you, I already opened the box. I already seen the contents. I've already played with everything. Okay, so I do want to let you guys know I already used the weaving net cap that came with it. And I'll insert like a little picture of what it looked like. It's literally like the net one that you, like, if you say you're not braiding your hair down, you can put it over top of like your bun, your ponytail, however you're gonna lay your hair down so your wig can go on. And I did use it because a few days, like a week ago, I didn't braid my hair down and I wanted to put my wig on, so I just used a net. That did come in handy. Also, the wig came inside, like it was on this, and then it was in this plastic bag here. And then it also came with this WIGSBUY comb. Okay. Let me stop. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, which is, I'm just going to show y'all because it's like one clip. So it looks like this. And they can be sewed on to the wig, and it has a little comb, so you would comb it in. And then you would snap it so that it stays secure on your hair. Also came with this brochure here. And as you guys see, WIGSBUY, the secret of instant beauty. And it has their website on there. And then on the first page, it has steps on how to make your wig look natural. There is 2 coupons here. There also is how to wash and dry the wig. There also is how to steps on how to make your wig comfortable. And then on the back, like if anything was wrong with the wig or you were satisfied with something with the wig, there is a return policy. I do want to show you guys the sides of the box and stuff. So as you guys know, this is the front, and it's WIGSBUY, the secret of instant beauty. And then it has this, which is not quite sure what these mean, but it's there. And then their information. And then on the back, then to like secure it, they had this little WIGSBUY sticker, like right here. So I know you guys are all wondering, okay, Kara, what does the wig look like? So not too long ago, I did tweet it. So if you do follow me on Twitter, I'll put my Twitter here. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and I'll provide that as well. So if you follow me on Twitter, you did see how I tweeted, I'm trying something new, way out of my league. Like, you would never catch me with hair like this back in the day. So let's show you. The wig display head is, her name is Keisha. Say hello, Keisha. She says hello. This is the wigs that WIGSBUY did send me. It is 100% human hair, and it was already made. I'll show you guys the construction It has like the little, you know, it cut all the way around. It is a blonde wig, and it did come in the color 613. I will send you guys I'll show you guys the website and put the actual link to this exact wig in my description, and I'll also show you guys a little picture / clip of what the wig was supposed to like, because they do wigs off of what's inspired. So like they'll show you like a picture of Rihanna and show one of her hairstyles, and they custom make it to that hairstyle, and you can pick the color, you can pick the lengths, all that stuff. So you custom make all your wigs. So I do want to let you guys know there is one con about the hair that I noticed off back. It's not too bad because I can still fix it and hook it up, but the parting only goes back to here, and it's really thin. So I have to do a lot of plucking as well around the hairline and some makeup and bleaching to get it how I want. But I don't know if I have to bleach it because the lace is like a brown tint, y'all. So look, when it's on my skin, it looks, if it was plucked, it looks as if, you know, it could be my color and all. So I probably won't mess with it too much. I am going to pluck it a lot because I need to look natural, okay? And if I can't get it to pluck how I want to, I'll just do the makeup. This is the hair up close. It is a little yellow, so I am going to tone it as I said before. This is what the hairline looks like. And here is the inside of the wig. So you can see the construction. So here's the extra lace, and then there's that hairline. And it is a lace frontal wig, and then it is wefted on here, you see? And then it has this little flap in the back with adjustable straps. And it does come with a tag and their information on the back. And this is 10 inches, y'all. I cannot wait to put this on. I do have something coming up on New Year's. So I won't be enjoying my New Year's too much, unfortunately. And I will do a video on that. So just stay tuned for that if you want to know what's going on my New Year's. Just stay tuned for that. But after the New Year's and once I'm, you know, ready, I will be showing you guys this wig on me. But I cannot wait. Like, look, y'all. Let's just see it on top of my wig. Oh, child. This look crazy on top of this wig because the wig is big. But I think I can hook it up, y'all. Like, it looks crazy right now. Y'all probably like, what the hell were you thinking, Kiara? But I promise you, I'm not going to go around looking any kind of way. I'm going to fix it, y'all. I'm going to fix it. Let me let y'all see the back. Go, Quisha. Go, Quisha. Y'all see the back? I'm such a goofball. Oh, my gosh. So, yes. And it doesn't have a smell. Like, literally, it's like no smell at all. And I like that. Is there any shedding? Okay, I just got one strand. Hold on. Okay. I missed it. I didn't get to show you guys, but I did get a strand. And the ends are a little bit thin, but I feel like it's to make it natural, which I like. Being that it's such a short wig, you wouldn't want it thick and bulky. You'd want it more natural. And plus, it's already bold and bright. So I'm going to tone it to a lighter brown, a lighter blonde. And I'll show you guys how I do all of that in the other video. When I actually have the hair on my head, I'll show clips on how I toned it. They did really good with shipping. It takes like 10 to 15 days for processing. And then they shipped it within like 3 days. But I do think they're having a sale going on currently. When I ordered this wig, they were having a sale. So you guys make sure y'all click on the link below. Check them out. Overall, I do want to let you guys know the hair is kind of what I expected. Like I said, there's nothing bad, literally nothing bad that I have to say about this hair, but that the part doesn't go back far enough. But I can still make it look realistic, so I'm not necessarily worried about that. This is kind of like the initial review, like before I even put in my hair. I will update you guys and let you guys know how it is after I washed it, after I toned it, after I installed it, after I plucked it, bleached it, all that good stuff, because I want y'all to know. And I think eventually I'm going to dye it, but not yet. But I'm so glad that I was able to film this because my schedule has been getting so packed, y'all. Like, I've been uploading a lot of predated videos. Like, I already filmed them, like, earlier because my schedule has been so busy. So I'm hoping I can post this on the same day. This will be a great Christmas gift to you all. And I definitely recommend them. So far, so well. But remember, I have to do an updated review. So if you guys want to wait on that, it's coming. It's probably going to be in January, like the 2nd or 3rd week of January. So stay tuned. It may be before. But again, I have something going on the 31st that I am going to announce to you all. Also, if you got, this is the Beauty Forever hair, in case anyone wants to ask. I'll leave the specs for that in the description as well. If you guys are interested in how I got these wand curls, y'all be sure to stay tuned and like this video. And this is straight hair, and I've been out all day since this morning at Christmas. So the curls has last. So if y'all want a video on how I get my curls like this, my hair like this, please thumb this video up and I'll get that video out to you. As well as if you want that video, well, that's coming out anyway, so never mind. But please thumb this video up if you want to see that video. And if you guys are excited, let me know what you guys got for Christmas. Comment down below. I'm kind of curious and I'm excited to see what you all got. So thank you all for watching Unit Gang. If you aren't already subscribed before you leave this video today, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell that's located right beside the subscribe button so you won't miss any upcoming videos, which I have quite a few. And 2019 is coming, honey. So y'all know what that means. Like, the energy for 2019 is so high. I'm so excited, y'all. It's just so high. Like, I already know I'm about to, I'm on it this year. So, also, be sure to like, comment on this video. Also, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.